I am a very busy entrepreneur and a single mother, so my schedule is usually tight. But Carigaar has helped simplify my life, and I can order almost anything I need on Carigaar. I can order an auto mechanic for my car, even a hairdresser, beautician, or fashion designer. I can take care of my home easily by getting an electrician or a carpenter. For my office, I can order a plumber or a janitor. I can also hire an attorney when necessary. I just got a security expert also from Carigaar. We traveled with ease last summer, thanks to a travel agent I got from Carigaar. Last month, I got a nanny for my toddler. That reminds me, I need a real estate agent for a new home and movers to move my things. I can also do that with Carigaar. Yes, with Carigaar I am always in control of my schedule. No complications.